funny day. I went out this morning to go vlog a coffee shop in town on the other side called the Grove, and on the way I got a flat tire, and turns out my motorcycle here, it's a beautiful Suzuki motorcycle. You guys got the tire over there now, but the tube in it is old and been patched many times, and it got another little hole in it. So they're going to convert this one into a tubeless tire, because the tire actually is, it's okay to be tubeless. It says it right on it. So he's going to convert it over to a tubeless tire by putting this valve in. That makes it a tubeless, right? Yes. Well, what's your name?
DJ, sir.
All right. So this is going to become a more maintenance-free tubeless front tire, I hope. So I'm sitting here probably for the next hour, patiently waiting. These guys are doing a good job. I just have to stay out of their way. So this is a shop right here in Valencia, right next to the park, the plaza area, and also, fortunately, right next to the gas station over here where you get the air for the tires, where I get most of my gas. It's right off the road coming and going to the apartment, and between the apartment and Dumaguete. We're in Valencia, and you can also get your motorcycle washed over here. JC Auto Parts and Services. So, you wash the bikes? You clean the bikes?
No.
No. How much you charge to wash your bike?
50 pesos only, sir.
50 pesos, that's all? Oh, maybe I can wash my bike when he gets done with the tire. Okay, if you have time.
Maybe I will watch that at 1 o'clock, because
You're gonna go to lunch?
Lunch break.
Okay, okay. I understand. Anyway, yeah, my front tire was really wobbly. It went flat and it's very shaky, so I thought I was going to have to walk it over here, but I rode it really slow. So this is what I'm going to be doing, having fun with the motorcycle. I love this motorcycle. It's pretty peppy, very peppy, and it's got a nice low center of gravity. Solid, heavy Suzuki. So this is my first time showing you guys my motorcycle. I love it. So essentially they're putting a new valve stem in. It's airproof. You know, it's got a rubber grommet in it. It seals the air supposedly just fine, and hopefully that will be good to go. That tube is getting kind of old and worn and been repaired already, it looks like 5 or 6 times. So it's hard to find that tube because the size is less common around here. More common size is a 17-inch, and this is a 16-inch, I believe that's what he said. So it can be found, but it's just not that easy. So this should be a good fix. Keep my fingers crossed. When you come to the Philippines, it's just a matter of time. You live here long term. Yeah, before you're going to end up coming to one of these vulcanizing shops, and there's lots of them, and they're very good and very reasonable. I'll find out just how reasonable just a little bit.
Yeah, we just dropped the key off from the apartment because John's staying here. We're going to Robinson. Brianna wants to go play.
Yeah, and I went a lot of toys.
Yeah, she just went yesterday from Hypermart too. Now she wants to go to Robinson.
Yeah,
Oh my God, Bria.
Yeah, I only go to Robinson on Monday. Every Monday.
All right, get in there. Good. Okay, so how long you gonna be here?
That's a good question. I'll let you know.
Oh my God, look like you'll be stuck in there for 2 hours.
Nah, they're fiddling with it. I'll see you guys later. Have fun. Have
All
fun.
right. Okay.
Yeah, I will stay there for 3.5.
Okay.
We'll be upstairs. Okay.
Think it has a good seal? All right, let's see if it leaks. Yes. It's there somewhere. You want to patch it too and save it? I'll patch it and just save it. Hopefully I'll never need it.
Before, the line is inside the
Yeah, I
ring.
know, it's messed up.
This one already outside all. Yeah, it's much better. No more during running. It's easy also.
All right, no more tubes.
Okay.
Okay,
Tube.
thank you.
Okay.
All right.
110 only.
110 only?
Yeah.
You got
Including
it.
the new
A new stem, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
110 guys.
Okay, all done. 110 pesos. Let's get out of here. Might come back later and let this guy wash the motorcycle, but he's on lunch. So, woo, it's getting hot over here. Let's go over and check out that coffee shop.